for good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm vlogging after 1 month, I guess. Yeah, so it's 1st of February today and we are going to Gargi College. So I always wanted to, go to a regular college. So as I was saying that I always wanted to, be in a regular college and I couldn't. So when Marsplay called me that you have to represent Marsplay at Gargi College and walk the ramp, and I was like, seriously, me? So yeah, it's a really great opportunity and I'm very grateful for this. Thank you so much, Marsplay. And I'm really excited. Also, I'm taking the metro today because the cab fare was too high. So yeah, this is the situation right now and I think that I'll get late as usual, but let's go. Alright, so we have reached at the Gargi College and the first thing we gotta do this. Say hi. And we still need to do practice, so we're gonna go on stage in a while when all bloggers will be here. Then we're gonna do some practice. So that's the scene right now. Alright, so we're gonna go and do some practice. Oh no, I'm back. You. I miss you too. Hi, sister. The practice is going on. Say hi. Hello. Komal right there is our showstopper. You can see her probably. So right now we're gonna do my makeup and here is Rishika. Say hi. She's the makeup artist today, arranged by Marsplay. And I'm very excited. And I'm gonna wear lashes for the first time. So it will be my first time. It will look definitely very good. Say it on camera. It will definitely look very good on you. Thank you. Chalo, let's do the makeup now. So we are done with makeup and she's doing my hairstyle. Hey, tell me your name.
Hey, myself Anushka.
She's Anushka and
my somehow Insta page is Makeup Magic Delhi. Do follow me, guys.
yes, go and follow her. Also, I'm getting my hair curled because I want something like this. So you're ready? Everyone is ready. कुछ लोग ready हो रहे हैं अभी. It's done. Say hi.
Hi.
Finally, मिल गया तुम्हें makeup artist. Hey. Hi Santa.
Hello.
आज gift नहीं देगा?
दे दिया my presence as a gift.
Very nervous and excited obviously. But excited से ज़्यादा मैं nervous हूँ. बहुत सारी wires है stage पे. And this dress and heels. You're good. मेरी देखो. So she's the showstopper, guys. And this dress is stitched by her mom. So they are going with the theme animal conservation, which is so cool. And she's the cutest. She's the pony. Hey. 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 Say hi. Hi. You look the cutest. I love pandas. Save panda. Right?
Yeah, please
save animals.
Please save all of us.
Seriously. Finally we are going to the stage. Oh my god. Wish me luck.
Me, even when you're not around.
Finally done with the ramp walk. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling so good. Okay, I was trying to video walk and what do you want to say? That she was looking really hot. She stunned and she rocked the stage. आग लगा दी आग लगा देंगे आग लगा देंगे आग लगा देंगे. So as I was saying, now we're gonna go and eat something because we're so hungry and I'm happy about कि मैं गिरी नहीं stage पे. So that's same here. है ना? इसकी तेरी को dress भी ऐसी थी.
I just came back home, made myself some tea. Now I'm just gonna go and end this vlog here. I hope you guys liked the vlog and it was just a beautiful experience for me, and I genuinely thanks Marsplay for this opportunity. So yeah, that is it about this video. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye bye.